Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to design a birthday flyer. First, open Canva and navigate to the flyer category. You can then search for birthday flyer to explore hundreds of pre-designed templates. Select a template that aligns with your party's theme and color scheme. Canva offers both free and pro options, so choose one that fits your needs. This initial step sets the foundation for a fantastic invitation. Now, let's personalize your flyer. Click on any text box to edit the party details, such as the guest of honor's name, the event date, and the venue address. You can easily upload your own photos or select from Canva's vast collection of stock images. Experiment with different fonts and color palettes to create a unique look. Remember, a well-customized flyer makes a lasting impression on your guests. To make your flyer truly stand out, explore Canva's extensive elements library. You'll find thousands of stickers, shapes, lines, and illustrations. Simply drag and drop your chosen graphics onto your design. Consider adding balloons, confetti, or a birthday cake icon to reinforce the theme. Aim for a balanced layout, ensuring the elements enhance the visual appeal without making the flyer look too busy. Less is often more for clarity. Before you share your masterpiece, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check for any spelling errors, incorrect dates, or misaligned elements. Once you're satisfied, click the Share button and choose your preferred download format. For printing, PDF print is an excellent choice, offering high resolution. You can also share your digital flyer directly through email or various social media platforms, reaching all your guests effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.